Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable and remove Gemini from Google Assistant. Guys, if Gemini's popping up instead of the classic Google Assistant on your Android or iPhone, don't worry. We'll switch it back in just a few taps. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone and open the Google app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's the one with the white background and blue G logo. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and tap your profile icon. That's your picture or initial. This opens a menu with a bunch of options. Scroll down until you see Settings and tap it. Now, in the Settings menu, look for Google Assistant. It's often the third option down, just below Google Account Settings. Tap Google Assistant to get into its preferences. Keep scrolling to the very bottom, and you'll find a section called Digital Assistance from Google. Tap that. Here, if Gemini's enabled, it'll be selected. You'll see an option to switch to Google Assistant. Tap it, then hit Switch to confirm. Boom! Gemini's gone, and Google Assistant is back in charge. Your Hey Google commands will now trigger the classic assistant. Unique tip: to keep Gemini from returning, go to Settings, Apps, Google, and turn off auto updates in the Play Store. This locks your app version. If it's not working, update the Google app or check downdetector.com for outages. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.